Hi friends, today I am giving a lecture on example problem on Hussey diagram. In the previous videos, we are already solved approximately 10 example problems on Hussey diagram. Please refer that problems for better understanding of how to draw the Hussey diagram for a given relation. In this video, we have to solve one more important problem, that is draw the Hussey diagram for 36 with the relation is division relation. Okay. We already know that what are the divisors of 36. First we have to write that divisors of 36. So divisors of 36 is equal to 1 divides 36, 2 divides 36, 3 divides 36, 4 divides 36, 6 divides 36, 9 divides 36, 12 divides 36, 18 divides 36, 36 divides 36. So these are the divisors of 36. Then what are the order pairs in the given relation? Okay. So the given relation can be denoted by R. R is equal to 1 divides 1. Okay. Next one, 1 divides 3. Now, R is a divisor relation. So, what are the order pairs in the given relation R? Okay. First, 1 divides 1. Yes. Next one, 1 divides 2. Next one, 1 divides 3. Next one, 1 divides 4. Next, 1 divides 6. Next, 1 divides 9. Next, 1 divides 12. Next, 1 divides 18. Next, 1 divides 36. Next, we can go for 2. 2 divides 2. Next one, 2 divides 4. 2 does not divide 3. Okay. Next one, 2 divides 6. Next one, 2 divides 12. 2 divides 18. 2 divides 36. 2 does not divide 9. Okay. Now we can go for 3. Okay. 3 divides 3. Next one. 3 does not divide 4. 3 divides 6. 3 divides 9. 3 divides 12. 3 divides 18. 3 divides 36. Okay. Next we can go for 4. 4 divides 4. Okay. 4 does not divide 6. 4 does not divide 9. 4 divides 12. 4 does not divide 18. 4 divides 36. Okay. Next we can go for 6. 6 divides 6. 6 does not divide 9. 6 divides 12. 6 divides 18. 6 divides 36. Okay. Next we can go for 9. 9 divides 9. 9 does not divide 12. 9 divides 18. 9 divides 36. Next we can go for 12. 12 divides 12. 12 does not divide 18. 12 divides 36. Okay. Next element is 18. 18 divides 18. Next, 18 divides 36. Last element, 36 divides 36. So these are the order pairs we are getting the divisor relation of 36. Okay. Now we have to draw the Hussey diagram. Okay. So first element I am taking 1. 1. Okay. What is the next element? 2. Okay. I am taking element 2. Okay. 1 divides 2 because 1 comma 2 relation is there. 1 divides 1 first. Okay. Order pair we are getting. Next 1 divides 2. Yes. So then we have to draw the edge between 1 and 2. Okay. Next element is 3. So 1 divides 3. 1 divides 3. So that we have to draw the edge between 1 and 3. But 2 does not divide 3. Because of that reason, we do not draw the edge between 2 and 3. Because 2 does not divide 3. Okay. Next element is 4. Okay. So 1 divides 4. Okay. 2 divides also 4. So that we have to draw the edge between 2 and 4 because 2 divides 4. Okay. Here 1 divides 2, 2 divides 4. According to the transitive property, 1 divides also 4. 1 divides also 4. We do not draw the edge between 1 and 4. Okay, because according to the transitive property, 1 divides 2, 2 divides 4, automatically 1 divides 4. Okay, so there is no need of writing the edge between 1 and 4. Okay, according to the transitive property, there is a relation between 1 and 4. Okay, next element is 6. Okay, so 4 does not divide 6. Okay, 2 divide 6, 3 divide 6. So that we have to draw the vertex 6 here. So 2 divides 6. So that we have to draw the edge between 2 and 6. 3 divides 6. So that we have to draw the edge between 3 and 6. 3 and 6. We have to draw the edge between 2 and 6. We have to draw the edge between 3 and 6 because 2 divides 6, 3 divides 6. Next element is 9. Okay. So 6 divides 9? No. 4 divides 9? No. 2 divides 9? No. 3 divides 9? Yes. 1 divides 9? Yes. So that we have to draw the vertex 9 and we have to draw the edge between 3 and 6 because 3 divides 9. Okay. 1 divides 9, 3 divides 9. According to the transitive property, 1 also divides 9. So there is no need of writing the edge between 1 and 9. According to the transitive property, so 1 divides 3, 3 divides 9, automatically 1 divides 9. Okay. Next element is 12. Okay. So 9 divides 12? No. 6 divides 12? Yes. 4 divides 12? Yes. So that here we have to draw the vertex 12 and draw the edge between 4 and 12. Okay. And also 6 divides 12. So we have to draw the edge between 6 and 12. Okay. Next, 2 divides also 12. 4 divides also 12. So that according to the transitive property, 2 also divides 12. 2 divides 4, 4 divides 12. Automatically 2 divides 12. Okay. Next element is 18. 12 divides 18? No. 6 divides 18? Yes. 9 divides 18? Yes. So that here I am writing 18 and draw the edge between 9 and 18. Okay, because 9 divides 18 and 6 divides 18 also. 6 divides 18 also. Because 6 divides 18, so that we have to draw the edge between 6 and 18. Okay. Next element is 36. 12 divides 36, 18 divides also 36. So that we have to draw the edge between 12 and 36, and 18 and 36, because 18 divides 36, 12 divides 36, so that we have to draw the edge between. So 12 and 36, 18 and 36. Okay, so all elements are completed. Okay, so maximum element is 36 here, and the minimum element is 1, because in the Hussey diagram, whatever the maximum element here when compared to all the elements in the Hussey diagram, so that element is called as maximum element. Whatever the element that is lesser all the elements of the Hussey diagram, then it is called as minimum element. So here in that Hussey diagram, so minimum element is 1 and the maximum element is 36. So this is the Hussey diagram for divisors of 36. Okay. Hussey diagram. Hussey diagram for D36 with the relation division relation. Okay. So in this way we have to draw the Hussey diagram for divisors of 36. Okay. So whatever the order pairs in the given relation, all the order pairs satisfies in the Hussey diagram. Okay, because if any order pair we have taken, what is the relation between them? Divisor relation. Okay, so here the divisor relation between the two elements in the Hussey diagram can be represented by using H. Okay, so this is the Hussey diagram. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share this video to your friends and classmates. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel name, so Divyala Srinivasa Rao. Thank you.